What's up, everybody? Creative Circles is back with another video, and today I'm going to be discussing how my meeting went today with my one of my business partners. So he is a friend of mine. He got his MBA from Purdue University, Fort Wayne, and we've been friends for a long time. So he's on our team along with my sister. So essentially today we talked about, hey, where do we want to be? What are our goals? Um, and he really was this was so spontaneous. He came kind of on board recently, like within the past 3 weeks or so, really within the last 11 days. And he said he wanted to come join us. And he is starting out as an intern, essentially for business as a business analyst and a marketing analyst. And helping us out with PR, and he has so many connections out in Chicago, out in Florida. I think even New York. New York. I think even California. So he's going to be a great asset to our team, and he's going to get a lot of value out of it as well. He even said that this might be more important to him internally than it will be to us, um, my sister and I. And just hearing that is awesome because it's like we're able to kind kind of sell someone the dream of, hey, help. He sees what we're doing, and being good in business is selling that to someone so they can bring their value and bring it over here to help us out as well. So, that's lit. So I'm very excited. Um, his name is Miles, and I couldn't be happier to have him on our team. I kind of just want to go over kind of what we talked about, um, and to kind of show you guys how it looks like when you are starting out in business with new people, a new product, a new business. Because if you guys remember, my dad started the company back in '94, and that was an entirely different company than it is today. He's recently passed, and you know, when he got sick, we kind of transitioned from sportswear apparel to screen printing and embroidery. That was a whole setup that we had to do. Um, Now we're transitioning into we want to get back into the retail market in terms of sportswear, but now we're in the retail market of sweatpants and extremely comfortable apparel, solving different problems like if you like dressing up, but you like staying cozy, you like staying comfortable and staying cute, our sweatpants can provide you that because your traditional sweatpants, they don't look classy, they don't look done up, they look dingy, they look bummy. Some people go for that. We don't like that look. Traditional jeans or jeans in general, they're not the comfiest things in the world. They're not really that comfortable. They're not warm in the winter. They're kind of uncomfortable in the summer as well. And I guess depending on the jeans, you can dress them up or down. But with our pants, you can do it a lot easier. And pajamas, they are extremely comfortable, but you're not going to wear pajamas to a dinner party or a nice restaurant or to the store. Hopefully not. Our pants, you're able to do those. So we combine the comfort of pajamas, the versatility of, well, we combine the comfort of pajamas, the cuteness of the yoga pants, and the casual slash versatility of the pants, of the jeans. So our pants are very versatile. We combine all those things into one pair of pants. So yeah, let's get into this really quick. It's not going to be a long video. So you got creative circles at the top, as you see, and we started talking about our finances. So we're going to need help tracking our finances. We're going to need sales tracking, expenses. Keep a detailed record of all expenses. Quarterly statements. Prepare financial statements every 3 months. Sales reports. Customer demographics. Sales location. Where were the pants sold in? Where were the products sold? How many? Um, where were they sold? The location they were sold in. Sale price of each product. Um, what color product? What sizes, etc. And on average, um, how much does this customer make? What's the lifestyle of this customer? We want to find out about all these types of things. So I'm going to add that in there as well. Um, Customer demographics, sales locations. So yeah, that kind of adds it in there as well. Um, Lifestyle of customer, uh, how much customer makes, where they like to shop, groceries, how old is the customer, gender, race, politics, I guess. All right, bet. So I'm gonna add that in there and save it and send it to my team. Social media postings and marketing goals. So what platforms are we going to be on? Well, we want to be on LinkedIn, TikTok. We like TikTok, but is it going to get banned? We don't know. We'll see. Instagram and in-person promotions. So we're going to want to know how many times a week are we going to be posting? Every day, 2 days a week. Right now, we came up with 2 days a week and having those planned out on every Sunday and using the app called Buffer, and they're going to allow us to schedule our posts so we can just do it every Sunday at a specific time and not have to worry about it throughout the week. And in the content, we want to include product details, benefits of the product, pricing of the product, colors, etc. And we're gonna want to post just you. I'm a different type of guy. Like I'm different. I'm weird, and I will own that. I love it. I don't care. Um, we want to keep that uniqueness, but we also want to be professional as possible. We want to be consistent. We want to have models. We want to have good work, but we also still want to be unique and still have our soul in it. So I think you guys will see how different we are, but how professional we are going to be at the exact same time. So materials that we need. We're going to need business cards. We're going to need thank you cards for when we ship the packages and stuff. And packaging solutions. What packaging do we want? We want to be cost effective, but we also want to have a good experience with the customer. We want the customer to be like, oh, this is a beautiful bag, beautiful shipping bag, etc. It's going to make me want to open it and just get right into the pants and um, just wear them immediately. Because I've noticed someone bought a pair of pants for their girl, but the girl hasn't worn them yet. So that's like, okay, why? You got basically a free pair of pants, but you don't want to wear them yet. Is it the appeal? Does the packaging not appeal to you? What is it about the pants that don't make you want to open them? Maybe because they're new on the market. 'Cause I've got somebody else who also doesn't want to trial the pants. Like they're just not interested in trialing them. It's kind of frustrating, but it's like can't make people do something. So you got to kind of go where the trial is being done. So we've got about 10 other people that are actually into the trial. So 10 out of 12, hey, I'll take it. No biggie. Still kind of mad about it, but it's like whatever. All right. Next thing we talked about is end of quarter goals. So assess achievements, identify areas for improvement, and set new objectives. Where we've been, where we are, and where we're going. And then hashtags, develop and use relevant hashtags for each post. Expansion goals. We want to start going to Chicago, Wicker Park, Soho, retail spots, pop up shops. In Fort Wayne, farmers market, retail spots, pop up shops. We got to get out there. Um, we got to. It's very important getting our name out there. We've already got all the pants, all the product, and now it's just a matter of getting our marketing materials and setting some trips to setting some goals to head out of the state for a little bit. In Fort Wayne, we're already in Fort Wayne, so that'd be easy. Financing. Okay, so we have the cost per pants. Um, we have the sizes extra small to 2X. It costs $20 per pants. And I don't know if that's expensive or not. It's very, very, very high end material. So I'm gonna keep doing my research on, is that too much? Is that too little? Um, yeah, I'm gonna see about that. Comment below if you guys know a manufacturer who could make a pair of amazing quality sweatpants, maybe for less than $20. If they're not out there, that's fine. I love who I'm working with now, but it's always good to you know weigh your options. And right now we have, I know the guy who's doing it. I know his whole team. I've met him through a Zoom. I know the guy through Facebook and stuff, but he's using, it's no child labor going on over there. So at his business. So, I'm very comfortable with that. And they just do really good work. Very good communicative. They're very communicative, so that's good. All right. Financing again. So we've got costs per pair, the sizes, inventory. We've got 100 pair of pants right now. Or we ordered 100. We've sold some. We have a few pants that are being trialed right now. So what we are doing is we're having people trial them for a month. We give them two sizes. Say they're medium, we'll give them a medium and a large. Or if they're small, we'll give them a small, medium, etc. And hey, trial these pants for a month. We just want to get feedback. At the end of each month, right? Let's say for Jane, at the end of each month, at the end of the month for Jane, we'll send her the survey, take the survey, answer all of our questions, and then she has an opportunity to buy them. Now, so far, the price has been $50 to $70 for what a person will buy these for, but we leave it up to the customer. So if they want to buy them for 30, we allow that. At the end of the trial, we'll probably do 100 trials, 100 pair of pants. At the end of the trial, we will take the average price of the pants, and that will be our price, because that'll be from 100 different customers or different volunteers, and that's based on the actual market. Now, if they're $20 on average, it's not going to happen because we're not making any money. We either have to find a new manufacturer or just up the price and be bold with it. So we will see, and I'll keep you guys updated on all of that. Customer data, track who bought the pants, sizes, etc., color, everything. Now, at the end of the meeting, we came up with tasks to complete by January 16th, 2025. I put 4. It's 2025. So that is 5 days from now. Financial statement outline. Okay. Inventory management. Count sold items. Track items being trialed. Inventory remaining at home. Business cards need to be done. Design and print the cards. Packaging. Finalize packaging solutions. Boom. That was our meeting today. I sent that to Miles and my sister, Brooke, and her name's Madison Brooke Page. I go by Tillman. Creative Circles is the company name. Brooke and Tillman is a subsidiary, I think it's called. Sister brand, whatever. Under Creative Circles. So she goes by Brooke, I go by Tillman. And I think all of our supporters, the women, are going to be the Brook crew, and then the Tillman crew is the boys. So bet that was our meeting. I sent it to my team, and they loved it. Great collaboration, and I can't wait to get started. Um, yeah, just kind of showing you guys what it looks like to kind of start a business, real deal business with your family and friends, and to see kind of how it's structured. And I've been doing business since I'm 20, about to be 27. I've been doing this since I was in like eighth grade, different types of things. So, um, yeah, just give you a background. I got my bachelor's degree in management. I got my in dental technology, healthcare management. Now I'm doing my master's of business at Purdue University of Fort Wayne. And I also work as a sales consultant we sell industrial parts. So I am in the field every day selling. And then after I get off work, I am selling at home or creating businesses or creating stuff for my business. I'm just trying to scale this because, yeah, I have a great job. I love my job. I love it. But I also want to create something for myself too. So, yeah, that's that. All right, y'all, I'm out.